Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and whoa, what a month we have had. Am I right? Wowzers. Well, of course, we had that wonderful holiday called Christmas, but we released so many awesome, amazing products at the Stamps of Life. I'm really concerned that you might have missed one or two, and so I just want to do a little month in review to make sure that you didn't miss out on anything. Are you ready? Get set. Let's go. The first item that we released was our club set, Chocolate to Stamp. It came with this fun box of chocolates and a couple little extra chocolates as well that are bigger size. So much fun. Now the companion set was really, really important. You got to have that one too. It's called Heart Chocolates to Stamp, and there was also more chocolates to stamp because I could not stop at just one. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. So much fun, so cute. Oh, I wanted to show you the inside of this one. Look how cute that heart is. Isn't that adorable? Love it, right? Love it, love it, love it. Now, we also released some other items. For example, we released our fun Let's Stay in Touch. And that is that cute hello, my friend, with lots of other words on there. Here's another one. I love the examples here. One is colored and one is not. You could do this both ways, which is really handy. When you're in a hurry, this one. When you want to spend more time, the colored one. Is that fun? Now, we also released our telephone fold-it. Woo! Perfect to go with the Let's Stay in Touch stamps, right? Look how cute this is with our texture paste on there and our fun birds to stamp. Absolutely love him. Then we can also move on to not only our Pray Fold It, which already came out, but also the Pray Strips to Stamp. Comes with that great big word Pray, which is really fun, and it has all these fun strips that go perfect with our Pray Fold It. This one says Pray, Wait, Trust. No prayer is too small, which I absolutely love. Here's another example of that Pray Strips to Stamp. Look at that. This is using one of our grid dies with the 4 squares and then the big rectangle on the top. Pray. Just pray. Pray on it, over it. Pray, 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 right? Open it up. Look at this. Just pray. Fear ends where faith begins. No prayer is too small. Talk to Jesus. Pray, wait, trust. Life is better when you pray. Now, do you love somebody? I'm sure there's lots of people in your life that you love. We released an XOXO, also known as Hugs and Kisses, as a fold-it. Now here it's not being used as a fold-it, it's using it as a regular card, but here's an example of using it as a fold-it. Isn't that adorable? Perfect for our little squirrels to love. But look at how fun that is. You can cut it out of cardstock or pattern paper. So much fun. It also has that optional stitching in the letters if you want to, but you don't have to, which is really fun. We also released a Happy New Year die set. Look how fun that is. The best part about this one that I really love is that each word is separate. So you could have them stacked on top of each other. You could have your card going this way and it could say Happy New Year. Or you could have it like this, Happy New Year. You can put it in any different directions that you want because it's all 3 different dies with the shadows as well. 6 dice total, which is really fun. We also released our fun horizontal heart background. Perfect for any of those cards that you just want to have an extra fun background on. And last but not least, but one that my card kit members especially were biting their nails on, dun 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 dun, the A1 card envelope. Yes, it comes with that fun little die that's optional, but look at how fun. Now we have an envelope that will almost fit in a 6-inch machine. You have to cut on one little side, but it will fit through a machine. And it's so perfect for all of our A1 cards that especially our card kit members are gonna start collecting. So much fun. So go to our website, go check out all the new products. We had a lot this month. Now our website is thestampsoflife.com. And if you're a club member, it's a sale every single day on our website. You get 15 to 20% off every single day. If you don't know what a club member is, you need to go to our website and click Join the Club and just watch that video. Check it out, see what it has to say, and you know what? I bet you're going to want to join. And guess what? Your club discount starts immediately after you join the club. Thanks so much, and I will see you over there at thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.